Hello sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po, titingnan natin ang mga pictures ni Katrina May Zamora. This, the Pep Squad. Okay. Then, shooting, Pep Squad. Oh, hati-hati. Tingnan mo, oh. Very hot, oh. Sorry, noisy sa background. Ayan, oh, sexy! Sexy!
Oh my God, yun yung video.
Sexy! Oh man! This pretty girl, my God. Look at to, pretty. Ah! Let's laugh at her. pretty. Eek! Cutie patootie.
Hi, I'm Trisha Mara. I know how to dance, I know how to sing. I'm such a smart girl. I know how to ballet too. Cutie patootie. Look, I'm a carbon copy of my mother. Look at me. I'm so hot. Look at my very famous pose. Vanity. Oh, I'm so cute. I think I wanna marry myself.
Bayo pa.
Oh, look at the real thing.
Hello.
The real thing. If I were you, I would like him too. Naalala mo yun? Very sweet mother doing this for her.
For her.
For
For
my
me.
God. Very lucky girl. You know, you can just frame this and then voila. Nothing. Look at us. Sorry. We in the frame, dog. We in the frame. Okay. Awkward. Ano nang gagawin natin? We in the frame, that's it.
Wala na, bye.
Okay. Bye-bye. We moving out. Signing up. Peace.